Good day, everyone. Welcome to another lesson in mathematics. Today we'll be looking at addition with the 10 frame. Our objective for today is to use Make 10 Facts to perform addition of two-digit numbers with renaming. This is an illustration of the 10 frame. If you notice this picture, you have 2 rows going across and 5 columns coming down. When you count all the cells, you get 10 cells. This is called a 10 frame. Now we'll be using this frame to do addition facts. Remember, addition with renaming. We're going to look at the next slide and pay attention carefully as we move along. What number is illustrated on the 10 frame below? Pay attention to the counters that are shown. If you said 6, then you are correct. The number illustrated there is 6. Let's look at these. We have 3 sets of frames here. If you notice, we have 2 full sets. For each of the full sets, we have 10 counters illustrated, which represent the number 10. So we have 2 10s, and on the other frame, we have 7 1s. What is the number that is illustrated here? 2 full sets plus 7 will give us 27. Let's look a little closer here. Here we are adding 8 plus 6. In using the 10 frame, however, you are going to try and get a full frame and single ones. So let's create a full frame here. 8 is in the first frame, so it's easy for me to take 1 from the bottom frame and put it up the top there. Take another one and put it up the top. Now we have 1 full frame there, which shows 10. We are now adding 10 plus 4. In the beginning, it was 8 plus 6. Which is easier to add? Is it 8 plus 6 or 10 plus 4? If you said 10 plus 4, I agree with you. What about 14 plus 9? Here we have 3 cells. 1 illustrating a full group of 10 and 4 ones, plus 9 ones on the other cell. Which is easier? Is it easier to put 1 with the 9 ones to make another group of 10, or is it easier to put 6 with the 4 ones to make another group of 10? What would you say? If you said it's easier to move 1 and put it over to the 9 ones, then you are correct. Let's look at this. Now we have 2 groups of 10. So the new problem would be 13 plus 10. 14 plus 9 is the same as 13 plus 10. Which is easier to add? 14 plus 9 or 13 plus 10? 14 plus 9 is the same as 13 plus 10. Here we have bigger numbers working with. 27 plus 15. The green counters represent the 27. The red counters represent the 15. For 27, we have 3 frames working with. For 15, we have 2 frames working with. Now, which is easier to form a tens frame here? We have 7 ones where 27 is illustrated, and we have 5 ones where the 15 is illustrated on that side. Now, which is easier? Is it easier to move 3 ones from the 15 side and put over to the 27, or is it easier to move 5 ones and put over to the 15? Let's see how we'll do this one. Pay attention. Very good. Now we have moved 3 ones from the 15 side and placed over on the 27 side. So we have completed 3 full frames. Now we have, what's the new number we're adding on this side? 30, and it will be added now to 12. 27 plus 15 is the same as 30 plus 12. It is hoped that as you work along with your 10 frame, it will help you mentally to add in groups of 10 and ones. Now I'm going to leave you to do these examples on your own. Let's review. I hope you are now able to use your 10 frame to do addition facts with renaming. I also hope that it makes it a little easier for you to solve these problems. See you next time around.